configuration tells us which orbital the electrons of an element are in. So you read the periodic table from left to right like you're reading a book, so you would obviously start at hydrogen, go to helium, and go like this, not up and down but across. The S, I've already labeled the periodic table for you, so you might want to do that to yours to make this a little bit easier. The S orbital, this one right here, it holds 2 electrons, so all these, and then helium is included in the S. And then the P orbital over here, this holds 6 electrons. The D orbital right here holds 10, and the F down here holds 14. I will be showing you guys how to actually do the electron configuration. So first, we're going to do longhand, just so then once we get to shorthand, it'll be a lot easier and more simple, and you'll understand it more. Okay, so the element that we're going to use is tellurium, which is right here. It's number 52 on the table, okay? So, how you start is you start right here at 1s1, and then you would, like I said, read it across like a book, so then you'd be to 1s2. And tellurium's all the way at 52, so this may take a while, but you just keep doing the exact same process over and over till you get there. But for this one, I'll walk you through it. Okay, so first you're at 1s1, then you're at 1s2, okay. And then you go to 2s2, and then 2p6, and then 3s2, and then 3p6, and then 4s2, then 3d10, then 4p6, then 5s2, then 4d10. And then now that you're at 5, which is the one, this is, the last home stretch of it, we're almost there. So when you get here, you don't keep going, and you wouldn't just say 5p6, you would have to stop at where this element is, so it would be 5p4. So it's like 5p1, 5p2, 5p3, and 5p4. So you would just write out all of those as you go along, and that would be the longhand electron configuration for tellurium. This is the long-handed electron configuration for tellurium. So check your work with mine to make sure that we both got the same answer. So now I will be teaching you guys the shorthanded version of electron configuration. Again, we will be dealing with tellurium. Okay, so this is much simpler, especially now that you know how to do long-handed configuration. It just, it just got so long, so just to make it much shorter, you go to the nearest noble gas. You wouldn't go to xenon because it comes after tellurium, but you would go to krypton. Okay, so you would bracket krypton like this. And then go on with the rest of the configuration like you did with longhand. So it would be, you would just start at krypton, and then you would write 5s2, and then 4d10, and then once again 5p4 because you're stopping here at 4. So as you can probably see, that was much easier, and that's about it for electron configuration. I hope that this video helped, and yeah. As you were hopefully able to tell, the shorthand electron configuration was much simpler than the longhand. And once again, just check your work with mine.